I like doing the wee fit sometimes. Okay. Well, make it. Okay.
Guess what?
What?
You got mail.
I did?
Yep.
Cool.
I know. You want to pause the Wii so you can look at it? Press B.
B? I did press B.
It says stop.
What?
Now press B. There you go. Yes. Then you can return to that spot. Okay?
Okay. Who is it from?
Do you recognize it?
Grandpa? Wonder what I got.
I don't think Grandpa owns stickers.
But he did do a dog.
Did he?
Yeah, look it.
Nice. Can read it?
I might,
I'll help you.
Okay. Hi, Rebecca. Thank you for the nice letter. And this picture of the
Legged
six-legged
llama.
llama? No, llama.
What was it?
It was a unicorn Pegasus.
He doesn't know.
I had
Heard
you liked the picture of the Pegasus. I saw
in Michigan.
in Michigan.
Remember the picture I showed you on the computer that Grandpa took of that Pegasus that was hanging up on the ceiling? The white one. I showed you on the computer.
I don't remember.
Okay.
You have to show me that again. Okay. Cool. I of you like it
Right away.
right away. So do you
Help.
Mommy wash all
No,
the
with.
the hacking?
Baking.
Oh, baking. Like the
Cupcakes.
cupcakes and the cookies. My cookies have all been
Have all been.
very good. I hope you like my marble with a ball. I hope you like my letter, and I can't wait to see you in May. Love, Grandpa. Gloria. That was a nice letter. I loved it. Thanks, Grandpa.